Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Let's take a look at two apps that we can use to mix things up in our classroom. First of all, Classcraft. Classcraft is a gamification platform that helps teachers create a game-like experience in their classroom. It is designed for behavior and learning management throughout the school year. To get started with Classcraft, you will need to create an account and set up your class. You could simply sign in using your Google account and then create your class, input name of your class. In this case, let's say grade 4 ELL class. Once you've done that, you can start adding students. This is also an easy step. You could input your student by simply typing their first name and surname. Just like this. After adding students, you could also assign teams if needed. Let's say you want 2 teams to compete. You could name your teams and then drag students to each team. Now the class is set, you could explore features of the game. Classcraft is based on a point-based system where students earn points for positive behaviors and can lose points for negative behaviors. You could also customize a positive behavior that you want to reinforce in your classroom. Once the students get certain points, they can exchange crystals, which could get them power that they could use in physical classroom. For example, they can be excused for a question from the classroom. To keep students engaging throughout the year, Classcraft provides 4 levels of implementation, including exploration, discovery, collaboration, mastery. In each chapter, there are different class tools to implement. By adding new elements throughout the year, students would always have something new to explore. Class tools are very practical to teachers. For example, this volume meter could track noise levels in your classroom. Before started, pick an appropriate reward and noise level. If students are too loud, their rewards get halved. Overall, Classcraft is a powerful tool for teachers looking to add an actual layer of engagement to their classroom. Its gamification platform helps motivate students to participate in class and rewards them for positive behaviors. By using Classcraft, teachers can create a more interactive and engaging learning environment that fosters collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking skills. The second technology tool I'm going to recommend is Scribble. Scribble is an online multiplayer game where players take turns drawing a selected word and others have to guess what the word is. To play Scribble, all you need to do is go to the website and create a private or public room. You could type in your name and then choose your avatar and choose a language. And if you want to play in the public room, you can hit play. If you want to play with your friend, you can create a private room to play. Let's say you want to use a private room in your class to let your kids to play. So you can set the private room by selecting players, the language, the draw time in like 120 seconds, and the rounds, how many rounds do you want to play, and etc. Once you set up your private room, you can then invite your friends, in this case, invite our students by clicking at the bottom, copy the link, and share with the students. Once you are in the game, one player will be selected to draw a picture. The player could choose a word and then use drawing tools to draw the picture. And other player will have to guess what the word is. The person who guesses the word correctly gets the most points, but the person who draws the picture also gets points. After each round, a new player is selected to draw and the game continues until the time runs out. Scribble has a large word database with a wide range of categories such as animals, countries, and celebrities. This ensures that the game is never boring and there's always something new to draw and guess.